we think about this, trying to break it down to the as small blocks as possible. If we look at the big picture, you can easily get lost. Everything gets lost in translation, and you kind of really need to start somewhere. And we like to start small. Identify the most critical Excel and Access pain points. Normally, we like to pilot on one line or one department in a specific area. And this is why we can create clear roadmaps to scale, tracking these project milestones, where we do provide targeted support or training to these specific users. But most importantly, and again, I mentioned this earlier, is getting that engagement of the operators and the supervisors during that initial adaptation process. If we can gain their trust that the data that they see is correct and they can rely on this new data, not data that they've been using for years, then we just gain their trust in coming up with phase 2 and phase 3 of this specific project, adding more features to a project, making the project user friendly, giving the operators or users on the floor a little bit of control so they can clear alarms or they can do something that they have permission to actually do. And we take small steps, very small steps. We get a win, we get something working, and then we move on. We don't develop for 8 weeks and show a product. We do this in small baby steps, get the confidence of the customer, get the confidence of that team so they can trust the process, trust the work, and they'll be happy with the finished product. And this is how we go about a lot of projects, not only in systems integration, but in our systems engineering team, injury prevention, and our